All right, so I used to actually what I was gonna say, I don't know. Anyways, I was just saying I just made a video called Peace, Love, and Unity, and in this video I want to go in more about unity. You see, we have to start putting behind us our hypocrisy. Our hypocrisy is our own individual and social demise. So, if we want to talk about energy and spirituality and how we're all connected internally in a certain way that to say that we're affecting each other, it's time to stop being hypocrites. It's time to bring down the metaphysical, spiritual um, things that people build up, the strongholds to protect their evil and their lies and their secrets. So the secrets are not innocent secrets. They're secrets. They're energetic, stolen things. You see, people who want to confront you in daily life and come at you sideways are only doing that because they're insecure that they have secrets that they're keeping hidden inside. Once you are truly free of your secrets, you will never want to go back to them again because you'll see they were poisoning you and then they cause pain unto you. The world has a design, but it's not too good and it's not too bad. It's just right. So we have to pursue that just right perfection. The way we do this is first of all by refusing to be confrontational. If somebody comes at you sideways, that is to say, kind of throwing some shade your way or coming at you in a wrong angle, spiritually, kind of throwing you off a little bit for no reason, if you're not hypocritical or a wrongdoer, then you have to not respond to them with confrontation because peace is the answer. So that's one way. Another thing is to not start confrontation with others. Just be a peacemaker. Another thing is to not mentally seek to be greedy. Take the things that come your way, but seek not to get more. Seek to destroy evil and metaphysical barriers between us. Because the unity is always there. It's the barriers that people build up that cause the division or the seeming division. So no confrontation, and that what I just said, and just basically, you know, not being greedy is what I just said for the record, because I'm not. I know what I'm saying. Don't try to be greedy. Don't try to be dumb. Just try to be peaceful. Be a peacemaker, and what that includes to not be greedy is that you're not seeking some kind of selfish stolen high. You've transcended all the fuck shit. And instead, you're just trying to bring down the the evil that's already in the world. We're not here to achieve anything. We're here to sustain and maintain what already is, which is peace and enjoy life. So, when somebody is doing something evil, when they're confronting you to keep a secret, or when you sense that they're trying to be greedy or achieve something that they don't deserve. So, just remember, guys, here's my ultimate message, and I'm gonna wrap the video. Don't seek gratification, seek destruction of metaphysical evil and division.